Hello, my name is Eric Grigori, and this is going to be an overview of the RobotVisionToolkit using the new MindSet headset from NeuroSky. So let me just throw up a picture here real quick. So this is the NeuroSky headset. Hopefully you can see it there. And this particular headset actually, quote, reads your mind. It actually reads more of your feelings or your emotional state and converts that into a signal and transmits it over Bluetooth to a computer. So let's just make sure you guys can see that. www.neurosky.com. Hopefully you can see that up there. And then here's their website. Give you an idea of some good pictures of what the headset looks like. And this is the kit. Nice kit. It's about $200. Comes with an SDK. I've got it integrated into the RobotVisionToolkit, so you don't have to worry about it. So that's me. So you can see I've got the headset on. What looks like a microphone is actually on my forehead, and then there's little pads in the earpieces. Now this is connected over Bluetooth using a serial link. Show it here. There it is. Using a little serial link, and it's sending a signal up to the RobotVisionToolkit software. So the RobotVisionToolkit you can download from www.emgrobotics.com. You can download it for free, and it includes a driver to communicate with this headset. So you can do get data from the headset using just one RobotSee keyword. Very easy to use. So let's go ahead. After you download the toolkit, you're gonna and install it. You'll get a directory that looks like this. RobotVisionToolkit. It's going to be an EMG Robotics RobotVisionToolkit. Click on bin, B-I-N. Then let's open up the IDE. So the RobotVisionToolkit includes an IDE here. And let's do this. And then let me shrink the screen a little bit. And this IDE lets me edit. It's a full syntax-aware, syntax coloring IDE. So let's go ahead and load up the file. Load up. So I'm going to load this file up. When you install the toolkit, you're going to get an examples directory. So here we are. Here's examples. Kevin Jr. That's the name of the robot, which you'll see in a minute. And then we're going to load up an application called MindSet Walking. And as you can see, the the IDE is color-coded. There's all the comments. It tends to be very well commented. And here's the keyword. So let's get down there. So using the RobotVisionToolkit, what we're going to have here is we're going to use the graphics language extension to put up a little gauge so you can see the data in a gauge format. And then we're going to also load up the Kevin Jr. language extension so we can control the robot servos. So we're also going to control the robot servos from our mind. Okay, and I just want to show you how easy it is to use the RobotVisionToolkit. Right here, signal equals mind read attention, or ATT. That's the only thing that's required to read the attention signal from this headset. As you can see, it's done in one keyword. As you can see, the language looks a lot like BASIC. Very easy to use. Go ahead and download it, try it out. So let's go ahead and go do the demo. In this case, what's going to happen is you can see here, the robot's going to walk. It's going to walk forward, and what's happening here is there's a go sub. So between each portion of his walk, he's going to check the mindset, and what the code's going to do here. So it's going to go sub, read mindset. And what we're going to do is we're going to spin in here as long as the mindset attention signal is less than 60. So the way the mindset works is a signal greater than 60, a signal 40 or below means I'm not very attentive. 40 to 60 is neutral, and 60 above means I'm being very attentive. I'm concentrating. Okay, so I'm going to spin in this loop, in this 4-next loop, for as long as I'm not basically paying attention, and that's going to halt the robot from walking. And as soon as I start paying attention and get that signal up to 60, which you're going to actually see on a graph, which is also being done by RobotSee, That's actually right here. So what you'll see in a graph is you can see I'm taking the signal from the mind read and I'm using this win edit line keyword, and that's going to actually edit, and that's actually going to create a line on the gauge to give a visual indication of my concentration level. So let's go ahead and do this. So from within the IDE, you can easily either run or debug a program. In this case, we're going to go ahead and run it. Let's go ahead and run it. Okay, and then it's going to go ahead and you can see the gauge there. Let's pull this up so you can see the robot. You can see the gauge. And let's see here. Yeah, you can sort of see me. So you can see the robot, the gauge, and you can sort of see me. So the robot just went through an initialization. Now it's trying to walk. So now I'm going to concentrate. And see, as I start to concentrate, oh, it falls down. Great. So as I try to concentrate, of course, it falls down. So now I'm going to concentrate some more. I guess I was concentrating too hard. Okay, and then it starts walking again. I think it stepped on its own wire. So now it's stopping, so I got to concentrate. And you can see the gauge in the lower corner. See, only when it gets above 60 does he continue to walk. Okay, that's my cat. Piper, get out of the way. Piper, get out of the way. You're in a video, Piper. Thank you. Okay, so concentrate. That's hard to do with a cat walking around. Concentrate. Okay, see, I'm having a hard time concentrating because I'm really upset at my cat right now. Piper, get down! I noticed actually with my kids, when my kids were in the room, instantly my attention level went above 60. So kids are definitely a great way to create an emotional response. Okay, there I go. Go above 60, and now he's going to take a walk. For some reason, that first lean causes him to... so there he goes walking. Come on, concentrate. You have to concentrate, concentrate, concentrate. Oh, you can also play back sounds using the RobotVisionToolkit. And I really wanted to add that soundtrack from Airplane. You have to concentrate, concentrate, pitch, hitting. Anyway, so I'm trying to concentrate. The reason I have the video on myself is you can see the intensity that I'm trying to concentrate. Come on. What I found is doing mathematical equations in my head, like I'm doing right now, seems to crank the activity up. And there you can see the robot walking. Now the robot, just as an FYI, does have a 3-axis accelerometer in it. So he's actually balancing. There's obviously a little bit of a Piper, get out of the scene. Okay, now he's laying down. Lay down, Piper. Okay, fine, lay down. Okay, so anyway, let's see if I can talk there. Let me see if I can think the robot into walking into him. Come on, robot. Get him. Get him. Come on. Get him. Come on, robot. Okay, so this is going to be the first case of mind-controlled robot attacking cat. Come on. Okay. So as you can see, what's happening is, as my thought process, what the mindset interprets as my attention signal. Now the mindset, you can watch my other video. I go into more detail of various signals available from the mindset. You actually have, I think there's 10 signals available. I happen to be using attention. There's also a meditation, and then there's things like alpha. I think it was alpha, gamma, delta, and these are various frequency bands, basically. So what's happening is the mindsets. I gotta stop here. Okay, so anyway, you can download this. This was all done in RobotSee, a language as simple as basic, with the power of C, and you can download everything from www.emgrobotics.com. Thank you.